Big news in the world of airplanes and defense. Baykar Makina, a famous Turkish defense company, has bought Italy's Piaggio Aerospace. This is a huge change for the industry, bringing together two companies with different strengths and histories. This move is expected to have a big impact, especially for drones and airplane engine technology. Baykar Makina is known worldwide for its advanced drones like the Bayraktar TB2. Buying Piaggio shows they want to grow into other areas of aviation. Piaggio Aerospace, with its long history of designing and building aircraft, gives Baykar a great chance to enter new markets and improve its technology. Experts are excited about this deal, talking about how well the two companies fit together. Baykar's skill with drones combined with Piaggio's experience with engines and regular planes makes a powerful team. This partnership should lead to new inventions and faster progress in both manned and unmanned flight. This deal also makes people think about countries working together on defense in Europe. Turkish and Italian aerospace industries joining forces could lead to more teamwork and shared projects, making Europe stronger in the worldwide defense market. This is a very important deal not just for these two companies, but for the future of European defense. Piaggio Aerospace has a long and interesting history going all the way back to 1884. Started by Rinaldo Piaggio, this company has been a leader in Italian aerospace, always trying new things with airplane design and technology. Based in Villanova d'Albenga, Italy, Piaggio Aerospace is known around the world for its smart ideas and great engineering. One of Piaggio's biggest achievements is the P.180 Avanti. This special business airplane, first made in the 1980s, was totally different with its three-wing design and amazing performance. The P.180 Avanti, with its small front wings, back-mounted engines, became famous for its speed, fuel efficiency, and roomy cabin. The company continued to innovate with the Avanti EVO, a newer version of its best airplane. Launched in 2014, the Avanti EVO used the latest technology and improved aerodynamics, making it even better and more environmentally friendly. The Avanti EVO made sure Piaggio stayed a top company in business aviation, known for its focus on cool design and comfortable travel. Besides business airplanes, Piaggio also makes engines. They've been a trusted supplier of engines for both civilian and military planes, showing they can do many things and have deep technical knowledge. This engine expertise is especially important now that Baykar Makina has bought them, as it opens up new possibilities for working together and improving technology. Baykar Makina, a privately owned Turkish defense company, has quickly become a big name in the global defense industry. Started in 1984, the company first made car parts before switching to drones in the early 2000s. This turned out to be a great decision, making Baykar a leader in drone technology. The company's most famous product, the Bayraktar TB2 drone, shows how good Turkish technology can be. This medium-altitude, long-endurance drone has proven itself in many situations, getting attention worldwide for being effective and affordable. The Bayraktar TB2's success has made Baykar a top drone maker, with governments and militaries around the world wanting to buy them. Buying Piaggio Aerospace is a big step for Baykar. Even though they've done really well with drones, they know it's important to expand and try new things. Piaggio, with its experience in business aviation and engine manufacturing, is the perfect way for Baykar to grow. This move fits with Baykar's goal of becoming a major player in the aerospace industry. By using Piaggio's expertise and facilities, Baykar wants to get better at designing regular planes, making engines, and using advanced technology. This deal should help both companies, leading to new inventions and making them grow faster. To see what new inventions and progress they make.